Alright YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this mini player, or you can say picture in picture, using plain JavaScript. Now if I refresh, it is asking me to choose the tab which you want to use as a mini player. Let me choose this one, click on share, and now this share will be shared in our HTML page. This is our HTML page which we will create in this tutorial. So if I click on play, you will see the tab which displays the image shows up, which displays a video shows up. So let me open my channel, and you can use any video. So just for royalty purpose I'm using my own. So let's choose this. So if you refresh it, Chrome tab and food recipe, and if you click on play, you'll see the video. If you maximize it, you can see the maximized version. And this mini player you can drag anywhere on the screen, and you can if you wish to resize, you can do it. Fine, let's create how to use it. So this the functionality with the browser itself. We don't have to do anything, we don't have to use any external thing. This is the browser default functions which we are going to cover in this tutorial. Now let me close this, let me remove all the JavaScript, and let me show you what is the required HTML. So we have a container, and this container just does nothing, which will hold the button at the center. And if you notice, we have a video tag with ID video, and it shows the control, and by default it is hidden. If you remove the hidden, you can see the video itself, but I don't want that. I want the video to be hidden, so let me hide it. So for demonstration purpose, I'll remove the hidden and show you. It does not have any src. If you see, the src is blank. Fine. Now plus is because to get the blue color and some padding and some margin, I have added this. This is getting from the bootstrap CD. Actually these all things are not necessary, just the bootstrap CSS is required to style this and get the classes. Fine. Now the very first thing, I need to get the button and the video tag. Document dot get element by ID. The first one is video, and we'll store it into a variable called video element, and the second one is going to be the button. So fine. Now the very first thing, we are going to call a function. Let's name it as mini player, and let's define this. And if you see, so we are going to use the browser default API. So to use it, we need to use this async. So this is what it does. This will ask to select the screen you want to share, and since it's an API, we are going to pass it to the variable called media, chosen media, and this chosen media is actually a screen. So we want to display it on our video element dot src equal to. Fine. Now what it does is, so since we are using an API, why don't we use try catch, which is actually recommended, but we'll use it. Catch the error console.log error from mini player, show the error, and we'll use this. So by this thing it is going to auto call the function. This function will be called and it will ask to choose the screen. So fine, it is asking to choose a screen. It is because of this function. Once you choose the screen, that screen can be viewable on the src video src. So let me open some royalty free videos. Chrome tab, I want to share this Chrome tab. Click on it, and if you see, at present it is not loading. So let's pause this, stop. Now what we need to add is, so this function is related to the video. So if you see, once it loads, we want the video element to play. So let's check again, refresh it, choose the tab, and you should see the image. Actually it is not seeing. Let me see why. So since we are using JavaScript, it's source object, it's not source. Refresh it, choose the screen, share, and yes, you can see the video is loaded fine. The video has been loaded fine. You can see this is our video, but the HTML is available. This is our video. This is our HTML. As you can see, UI monk is our HTML, and this is the screen which is shared by this tab. So what I want to do is, after loading, I want the video player to hide, hidden equal to true. So if I refresh again, it's asking me to choose. Let me choose this. After sharing, I want video to be hidden. Now you can see it is hidden by default. The screen is actually sharing, but the video is hidden. So refresh this. So now what I want to do is, when I click on the button, I want the option. So get the button dot add event listener. So which is going to be click. And we are going to use a wait inside it. So for that, async is needed, and get the video, and request for the option called picture in picture. And I want the video element to be hidden after clicking on the button. Dot hidden equal to true. So if you refresh, choose the tab which you want to share, and let's get into our HTML. And if you see, we are getting the picture in picture. So if you click picture in picture, you are able to see the mini player. But the problem is, we have already used the video element to be hidden, but it is not working. Let me see why. And as I said, it is going to be Wait, let's try again. And by default I want it to be hidden, so now you won't see the button, sorry, you won't see the video tab. Share. Let me minimize this, let me maximize the video. Once I have maximized it, so I can see it, and you see the screen is available on full screen. And if I match the browser, and I can view. And that's all for this video. Get the source code in the description.